Today, we're building a quick, effective pitch for your leadership team about Google Vids.
First, let's start with a problem we all know. Video creation can be a real bottleneck. Now, here's the solution. Google Vids. Think of it as your team's new video collaborator.
It isn't just another editor. It's an all-in-one assistant for making videos. And this is all possible because it's built on powerful AI, like Gemini. So how does it actually work? Well, there are 3 simple ways to get started. The best part? There's no steep learning curve. The interface is super familiar. Okay, let's dive into the why. This is the core of your pitch to leadership. Here are the 4 key advantages that make this a strategic asset for the business. Okay, let's put that into perspective. This is a huge shift in workflow efficiency.
The crucial point here is the direct impact on your budget and your team's time.
Just think of all the communications this could immediately improve, both internal and external. So the next logical question from leadership will be about implementation and access. Now, this is the really good news. If you're on Workspace, you get the core AI features. So the key point for your pitch is that your team is already set up to start. And we'll end here. This question frames the tool not as a cost, but as an opportunity.